Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the essentials, the tracking number and the carrier. First, copy the tracking number exactly, letters, dashes, and all, because one wrong character leads to no results. Then, open the carrier website or app and paste the number into the tracking field. If you use a tracking aggregator, paste it there as well. Once done, confirm the destination address shown matches your order to avoid confusion and make sure you're checking the correct package. You'll see a timeline of events, learn to read it. Start at the top. Recent updates show current status. Earlier timestamps show the package journey. If it says arrived at facility versus in transit, that tells you whether it's moving or staged. Once you see out for delivery, expect it today. If you see exception notes, they explain delays. Make sure to refresh or requery every few hours because carriers update scans throughout the day. You're near the finish. Verify delivery and handle problems decisively. If the tracking is stale for more than 48 hours or shows an exception, call or message the carrier and give them the tracking number and address. This starts a locate request. If they confirm delivery but you don't have it, check with neighbors and building staff and look for photos or drop-off notes. If unresolved, file a claim with the carrier and notify the seller to escalate recovery or reimbursement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.